Median of a triangle. A line segment joining the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side and bisecting that side.
ABC. Assume we had point D on segment BC such that BD is equal to DC. It means D is the midpoint of segment BC. The segment BC is the side opposite the vertex A. A segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side is called a median. So segment AD is one of the medians of triangle ABC. Similarly, if E is the midpoint of segment AC, then segment BE is another median of a triangle. Now we have to see if the median from point C passes through this point. So if F is a midpoint of AB, the segment CF is the last median of this triangle, and we can see that it passes through that point. We can say that all the medians are concurrent. They meet at one single point. Let's say they meet at point G. This point where all the medians of a triangle meet is called a centroid. Of all the centers of a triangle, the centroid has the most number of applications in real life. Suppose you have a pencil on which you wish to balance a triangular shaped cardboard. You will observe that there is exactly one point at which this will happen. There's only one point at which it will be balanced. And that point will be the centroid of that triangle. It will always be balanced at the centroid. This point is also referred to as the center of gravity. Basically, all the mass of this object is concentrated at this one single point. What if we want to hold that piece of cardboard using a string such that it does not tilt in any direction? Again, that will happen at just one single point, which is called the centroid. Does the centroid always lie inside the triangle? The vertex A around. No matter where it is moved, the centroid always lies inside the triangle. Even if we try moving vertex B, it will remain inside. And it's the same case with vertex C. Actually, it is kind of intuitive if we look at our previous examples. If we want to balance the cardboard at a point which is the centroid, of course it cannot lie outside. It will always lie inside the triangle.